What's up, squad? Y'all know what time it is. What today is. This is UNC Toe Pickup Day. So if it's your first time here, thanks for checking us out. Hit that notification bell, drop us a like if you like the content. And if you've been here before, thanks for rocking out with us. So I'm here at the local mall, about to hit this finish line and go pick up this pair reserved. What was that, Wednesday? We had status access for the UNC Toe Jordan 1. So we about to go pick them up, check out what's in the box, and see what we think of these shoes, man. I know a lot of people out there have been looking for these. There's supposed to be a lot of stock, but a lot of demand. Let me know also, tap down in the comments how y'all made out on the sneakers app this morning. But I'm gonna go get in here. We're gonna see what's happening in the store and pick up these shoes. All right, let's check it out. Man, it's another beautiful day out here today, like 80 degrees and sun. 85, I think is what it's supposed to be. But we ain't had a day like this in a while, so I think good things in store. Check these out. Wow, the almighty Panda in store. Still got these. These are dope. Wow, a lot of high dunks. Of course, all the Air Force Ones you need. Jeez. Air Force Ones. Mids, chambray 7s. Wow, still got these MVPs or whatever those are. Nah, man. Can secure y'all. Not a lot going on in store, but they do have Jordans in there. So if you are out there and you want a pair of J's, go in the store. They got stuff. May not be the latest drop hype pair, but grab something. All right, y'all, another successful pickup at Finish Line this morning. Was able to use a $15 off status access coupon. So walked out the door for, I think it was $174.90. Pair in hand, can't beat it. So ready to get home, see what's going on with these shoes. Let's take a close look. But in store, there was some stuff on the shelf still. So I mean, I didn't get everything that was in there, but still decent amount of Jordans, chambray 7s, I think the cement highs, a few things. So get into the store if you're looking for a pair just to add to your collection, so you can get some things, find some things on sale as well. You know, I'm really curious to see what the actual stock numbers are for these, because I walked in and they got grade school pairs sitting waiting for people to pick up. You know, it's back to school season, but I wonder how the men's pairs are doing and across the board in all these stores. So we'll see. But either way, man, you know, is the Jordan 1 hype dead? I say no, as long as they give us good quality colorways, good quality pairs. You know, I think we were just getting hit over the head with so many pairs that were just mid, like it's not really great. And then they just doing drop after drop after drop after drop. People got exhausted. And of course, money is tighter for people these days, but I think as long as the colorway is hype, you know, of course you throw a UNC colorway on anything, it's gonna sell. That's Jordan. So, I don't know, we'll see, man. See what these numbers. All right, squad, so we are back from the mall, straight from Finish Line, as you can see. Let's check out the UNC Toe lows. We didn't need that information. So we got them in hand, and you can see the label here on the shoe. You can check that out if you want. But standard Air Jordan 1, the University blue, black, and white. Nice box. You know, they're giving us the nice University blue colors. Can't be mad at that. Typical Nike box. And then we go here. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, I say. Very nice, very nice. Nice leather I'm seeing right off the rip. Super clean. Let's get get this box out of here. All right, so I'm sure, you know, we've all seen these at this point a lot, tons of images. We got a nice tumble leather on the forefoot of the shoe, similar to the taxis. The black, nice standard leather. Yeah, nice, good quality leather. Same you see on the, like the, which one? The Mystic Navy lows. I think that leather is similar, that black leather. The white is like your standard, regular, plain white, no real tumble on that at all. And then, yeah, so all the Carolina University blue got a nice tumble, nice soft plush feel to it, but good quality, Black tongue, got the University blue on the Nike Air, white midsole, and University blue on that outsole. So, is this the #1 or most hyped Jordan 1 drop so far this year? Again, I got the washed black. I think they were nice. I mean, like super nice pair. I know it wasn't a lot of hype, but I know these are in high demand. So I need to know, did you get your pair? Did you pick your pair up yet today? Did you hit on the sneakers app, Hibbits, or any other stores that are out there? I know Shoe Palace had a bunch of pairs come through. And I think, sneakers, I think at this point is sold out, but everybody else has pairs. So we got to see. I haven't seen the stock numbers yet for these, but I'm pretty sure they're high. I don't know if 600,000 is legitimately, what happened. That's been like the rumor for the last couple of weeks. But yeah, man, so this is the University blue toe. We call him the UNC toe. And my buddy James Myers, check his channel out if you haven't, and sub to the homie. He's pushing his way to 10K right now. He's doing a giveaway too of lost and found ones. Check his channel out when you get a chance. But we were talking about the University blue colorway and how this is not the same as the Carolina blue that the team wears on their jerseys. It's different. And they say University blue across all these different pairs, but this pair is different than the University blue ones a couple years ago. So I broke these out. This is the Suns pair. Of course, it's kind of beat because, he's 17. But you can just see what they're talking about. These are worn. So we wear our shoes in the house. But the difference in color, right? University blue here, University blue there. This is worlds away different in color. Now, which one is more accurate? I think the University blue, the UNC team, their colors are lighter. So they're more on this front versus this rich, kind of darker, deeper University blue. But you'd have to put some merch and things like that up against it. My man James did that. So just giving y'all that for reference. But I think these are good quality, great quality shoe. Some people talking double up, triple up. I mean, they're wearable, right? The colors are easy to wear. I've got the taxi ones. Love this shoe, love the quality of it, but I don't wear yellow that often. So I don't wear these that often, but these are, blue's my favorite color. And then you got black and white, pretty easy to wear. And then just looking at the quality between the two, actually, same color blocking, right? Same exact color blocking for these color toe Jordan 1s. But honestly, the taxis, the leather on the white is better on these taxis. This is like super soft plush, got a nice little tumble to it, kind of all over the shoe except the black. And the University blue doesn't have that same tumble everywhere. But again, still dope shoe, dope pair. What do y'all think between taxis, these guys? What's your favorite? I don't know, just throwing some things out there. Top quality Jordan 1s. Let me know what y'all think of this shoe. Did you cop? Are you gonna cop? Are you waiting to see what the market does? I know right now, like prior to drop, secondary was close to retail, like $200, maybe $210, $220. So not crazy expensive. So yeah, let me know what you're gonna do. I will say I think you should wait like a week or two. Don't go panic buy and just start buying up resale price, University blue 1s right now. Take your time, see what happens. But thanks for hanging out. Hope y'all enjoyed the content today. And let me know how you're enjoying your pairs. Check me out on Instagram @RealDaddyC. I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.